What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, things still looking, fairly bearish here, but we're maybe forming some kind of bottoming out pattern here. We've seen Bitcoin have a little bit of a rally over the past 24 hours because the DXY, which is the dollar index, has been absolutely plummeting. There's a lot of news of inflation, etc., which is often bullish for Bitcoin. Whenever the DXY tends to go down, Bitcoin tends to go up. And as you can see, Verasity being quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin right now, with the market being extremely scared. We have seen a little bit of a renaissance over the past few days. You can see here on the hourly time frame, looking as though we have actually broken out of that little downtrend that we were talking about that has been, very prevalent this whole time, really. You can see here that it looks as though potentially here for Verasity, we are actually getting a little bit of a breakout of this resistance that we have been stuck under for a good while here, which is obviously really bullish to see, because before it did look as though we could have potentially been forming something like this descending triangle, which obviously has a really good chance of breaking to the downside, because you're making lower highs all the way down and eventually you break the floor and go through it. But what we've seen here, obviously with the market being horribly overextended to the downside, we have actually seen what looks to be like a little bit of a breakout for Verasity here. We come up, we test the resistance again, we backtest our EMAs on our hourly time frame here, and looking as though we are getting a little bit of a breakout of this key level of resistance here as well, which is, I believe, the 0.78. The 0.78 here of that fib pull that we pulled all the way back from the all-time high down to that 0.75% low. And you can see very, very clearly here, the resistance, touch, we come all the way down, touch again, come down, touch again, come down, we double bottom, potentially with this area here, and we get the touch here and the breakout. So this is looking like Verasity here could be seeing a little bit of upside fairly soon. You can obviously see as well the bullish divergences are quite apparent. The price action here, we have continued to come down like this, but as you can see, the RSI has been coming up steadily as well. Clear bullish divergences in our opinion. And you can see here now that we are having a little bit of a move back to the upside, potentially of a little range that we could have formed, maybe something like this even, where we have seen, the price come down, comes back up, it gets the breakout, but stuck under that resistance, comes back up, retest the range, we roll all the way down to the bottom of the range, and now we're back at the middle here, breaking out of that descending resistance, looking for some upside. So overall, we'd say Verasity, obviously, it's been suffering because of what Bitcoin's been doing recently, but Bitcoin looking as though it may be getting back on its feet. Loads of bullish divergences for that as well. And you can see quite clearly for Verasity here that basically, we could be breaking out of a little bit of resistance here. And if we could backtest this as support along with this Fibonacci level here, which is obviously a key level, that would be very, very bullish. And we would be expecting Verasity to make some headway to the upside if that's the case. So if we roll over here, short-term price predictions, and we come back down, we will be retesting the bottom of this range here around 3.1 cents, maybe even that swing low candle around that 3 cent mark. We do think that's a strong psychological support for Verasity. And obviously if we backtest here and move to the upside, we are targeting the top of this mini range at around 4.4 cents, coming up towards these swing highs here at around that 5 cent level, a strong psychological target and resistance as well. Really, we want to see ourselves getting back up into this range up here, above that 5.3 cent level, getting back on track for the bull run basically. But as we've always said, Verasity, a top quality project, isn't it? And I mean, this chart is still looking really good. Massive run up, correction, heading up the stairs. We've come down, but we've still made a higher low. And if we do start to see ourselves, moving back to the upside here, we will be targeting that 10 cent level at the 127, as we've said many times. And we really do think Verasity 50 cents to $1 is highly likely in our opinion if we do get all the bullish fundamental news that we are looking for. And, potentially seeing, there's a lot of rumors right now, a lot of bullish stuff coming for Verasity. And if all these things come to fruition, it could be doing very well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.